Take your appetizers to the next level with this pumpkin and goat cheese lasagna. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Make the goat cheese bechamel sauce by adding the unsalted butter in a saucepan. Melt it over low heat. Add in the all-purpose flour, then whisk constantly for 5 minutes. Whisk in briskly, slowly pour in the whole milk. Add in the creamy goat cheese, salt, and nutmeg. Bring to a simmer, stirring frequently for about 10 minutes until thick and creamy. Set aside. Now make the pumpkin and goat cheese filling by adding the pumpkin puree, dried thyme leaves, sage leaves, nutmeg, breadcrumbs, mascarpone cheese, parmesan cheese, brown sugar, creamy goat cheese, salt, and ground black pepper in a bowl. Fold until evenly incorporated. Then, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a baking casserole with cooking spray. Place a third of the pumpkin mixture on the bottom of the casserole and spread evenly. Assemble the lasagna by covering it with a layer of dried lasagna noodles. Spread over another layer of the filling, then top with 3/4 cup of the bechamel sauce. Top with another layer of the pasta, with the remaining filling and bechamel sauce. Cover with the final layer of the remaining pasta and bechamel sauce. Then, sprinkle some breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese on top. Cover it with aluminum foil, sprayed with cooking spray. Bake for 40 minutes, then remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes until the topping becomes golden brown. Remove from the oven and let the lasagna settle for 10 minutes. Garnish with sage leaves before serving. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.